Doug. I just wanted to do a quick little video on MLS just to get everybody going this morning. So again, this will be pretty basic, but we do have to learn some protocols when we get into MLS. It makes our life a lot easier. So the first thing is this is the website, matrix.netris.net. Yesterday, somebody had asked me what the app was. I don't even care about the app. I use this website and save it as a home screen on my phone. And that way I can do anything on my laptop I can do on my phone. So once you get to matrix.netris.net, again, matrix.netris.net, you're going to have your login. When you log in, you will get to a screen that has 14 boxes, 7 on top of 7. You always click this left one here in the corner. That's MLS. And your screen should open and look something very similar to this. Not exact maybe, but something like this. Again, this is where you'll know when people have visited a home search. This is how to find a property. And again, what I've said all the time is that all you need is the street number. And all you need is the first letter of the word of the street. Don't put east, west, south, or north in street name. So if you're ever looking up a property, 8005 North Fall Meadow, just put 8005 and an F for Fall Meadow. Again, don't put directions in street name. Just put the first letter of the street with the physical address there. When you hit search, you'll find it if it's been in the MLS. Okay. Anytime I tell you to print an agent full report, that means you're going to click on the MLS number, and it says it right there, MLS number. So if you click on the MLS number, that's called an agent full report. It gives you all the data you need to write up an offer. And all you do is hit print. And by default, you're at agent full report and print that. You'll hit the back button. You'll go back to the listing right above it. Okay, at the very top, it says listing. You go to tax. You need to print the tax roll. To make an offer, you need the tax roll and the agent full report. And again, that's exactly where you find them. Okay, the tax roll and the listing full report. Some things to think about. Over here on the right corner, you see here my cursor, recent searches. It saves all your recent searches. So you don't necessarily have to go back and do a search. If you got a listing and people keep calling you on that listing, if you did a search of homes near that listing, it's going to be here. And so all you have to do is go down. You basically find it, click on it. It'll give you the list. And from here, you just go save, new auto email. That's always the page that if you fill out everything in yellow and scroll to the bottom and hit save, you just emailed the list of properties to your buyer. Okay. So again, let's do a search real quick. I always like to go back to the dashboard. So if you ever call me and we're confused on where we're at, I'm going to say, let's go back to the dashboard. So I'm going to say, go to my matrix dashboard. And now you have somebody that calls you and wants a search of properties. You're going to go search residential detailed or quick. Make sure that you only have active marked here. So if you have anything else marked, what you do is you uncheck them. Make sure that's all that's marked. You go over here, hit the rotary, and hit save as a default. And that way, every time you now go to residential detailed, you only have active marked. So if somebody said, hey, I want all the properties 400 to 700. Okay, well, you already have 3 check marks, 3 zeros there, check marks. So now you just go down here. Oh, and Frisco and Prosper. Okay. Now you have to select them. So remember, you have to have them in blue like that. And you can see there's 47 matches. If I hit single family, there's 40. So from here, if this was the search I wanted to send, I'm going to hit 3 tabs. Results, save, new auto email. Results, save, new auto email. I'm either going to put the person in, Joe Blow and Joe's phone number, and hit save, or I already have them in there. You'll have a drop down and you pick who you want it to go to. Here you say homes. You scroll down. hit save, and you just email the properties. Okay. Now, let's say that a day later, somebody calls you and wants the same search. When you log into MLS, all you have to do is go over here to recent searches. Look at that. Boom. From here, all you have to do is hit new auto email. That's super cool. Saves you a step. All right. Let's say they wanted to look at a duplex. Well, that's not going to be single family. That's going to be residential income. Just think about it. It's an income producer because it's a duplex. Somebody has to be rented on the other side. So when you do detailed, you'll see that down here you have the option: apartment, duplex, triplex, quadplex, multifamily. See how those are all check marked? You want to uncheck mark them. You want to go over there to the rotary, hit save, and now when you go here, it will be just active. Okay. Let's say you wanted to do a search for residential leases, residential lease detailed. Okay, looky there, active, uncheck mark those. Go over here to the rotary, save it. Now when you go there again, it will be correct. So I'm trying to teach y'all how to do things on your own, just because someday I won't be here, and I want you to know that you can always change any of these searches and hit the rotary, and it'll save it as a default every time you open it. Like I like searching homes with a master on the first floor. So underneath bedroom, boom. And then I go to the rotary, boom. Now when I go back to residential lease, look at this. It's already marked. Okay. Let's say I want to go to residential detailed. Boom. Okay, I have active mark. Looked underneath bedrooms. Boom. Hit the rotary. Save as a default. Now when I go here, it's already going to have it marked. Okay. I would say keep it active only, and master down or not, that's up to you. But just always remember that this rotary keeps your search as a default. So what if I wanted to make it single family homes every time I open it up? I still need to go over here and hit it as a default. Now when I go residential detailed, I've got active, single family, master down. Okay. The only one we really other use, I mean, this could be our main one: searching for houses, searching for leases, and then of course land. So again, land detailed. Oh, look at that. I need to uncheck mark those. I need to go over here, hit the rotary, save it. And then, I want everything 0 to 100 in Kaufman County. You do have to check you have to select the Kaufman, make it blue. There's 39 matches. Results, save, new auto email. Okay, results, save, new auto email. 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 Either put in the client, hit save, go down here, type in something, go to the bottom, hit save, you just emailed it. And then you'll follow up and always make sure they got it. I hope this helps. Just a little MLS review this morning to get you going. Be safe.